Tundra SR5 Double Cab. Ready for work. Tried and true chap. Standard new car financing rates available for qualified customers. Here at Lakeside Toyota, we try to make the purchase process as easy and hassle-free as possible. We encourage you to experience this for yourself when you come to look at this dependable 2008 Toyota Tundra, ready to get on the job and get going. Motor Trend Truck of the Year in 2008. This wonderful Tundra is just waiting to bring the right owner lots of joy and happiness with years of trouble-free use. The best new cars make the best used cars. It stands to reason that the better a product is made, the longer it will last, which makes getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price a very savvy move. Toyota's timeless commitment to quality, innovation and durability is the foundation upon which the Toyota Certified Used Vehicle TCUV program launched in 1996. With each passing year, the TCUV program has gained momentum, totaling over 3 million sales and counting. Along with industry-leading heritage comes another advantage: an exceptional coverage policy. With a 12-month/12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year/100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, plus 1 full year of roadside assistance, honored at over 1,400 Toyota dealers in the U.S. and Canada, we've got you covered.